kill a cow and like not get you.
He's away. He's not going. Vitaly, now he's up here. Vitaly.
What? What? Where are you?
Oh my gosh, Vitaly.
What is wrong? Alright, I don't understand. Oh shit! You scared me, Marie. Don't ever do that again. Alright, I'm gonna make myself a leather chest plate. I mean chest, yes. Because I need to collect all this crap.
Where's the coolest skin?
Right here, right. Thanks. What should we call it? Now I give him some meat. I need some meat.
Vitaly.
Yes? What? Gotta go chase people. Alright, I don't understand why I just keep saying my name. What do you want? Right. Do you want? It's not fixed yet, is it?
No, it's not.
Alright, let's go kill him. He's running, Rich.
Died. Vitaly died.
I know that. I saw him. That's what I
I
said.
think that he knows. I don't know why he muted his mic.
You don't need this. Why weren't you talking? I was trying to ask you, Rich. You're not talking.
Why'd you mute your mic?
I didn't
Where's
mute.
this guy?
I didn't mute my. Yo!